Is that Larry Johnson's old house, Chris?
No.
He's here though.
It's on the other side of the road.
Look at the pole.
Where to try to go?
I was leaving the gazebo.
I know.
Why do I feel unsafe being this slow?
No, it's just in there really hot.
I know.
I just think all the way to the front. If I sat back there, you'd be in the water.
Did you see when we went out on the paddle pole with Mr. Ray and Patricia? Me and Miss Patricia were just about in the water. We would have been 10 pounds heavier. That would have been the end.
That's traffic going.
Built onto that house. That wasn't like that last year.
There's towers on, so you tie all the way up here. Get a lot of air.
And two big going in. Like,
Who's going?
not at the same time.
Not at one time.
Oh no, you can't go at one time.
You going first? You want me to go?
Go on, Ryan.
Oh, we got a bunch of water.
What?
I was
We
like,
got
oh,
a
I'm not
bunch of
too
water
sure
in
of
the
this
boat.
now.
Well, boat's pumping out by itself.
Boat's bent.
You didn't leave the plug out, did you?
Wonder if I'd left the plug out.
We wouldn't have been able to get back into it, right? You don't want to go first, Ryan?
Yeah, I go first. Huh?
All right.
Well, you want to see somebody do it first that knows what they're doing.
Don't worry, my dad, he's an expert. I'll tell you.
What?
The plug was out.
What does?
It vibrated out or something. It was in. Believe me, it won't sit in the water that long when the plug got it.
Well, it's
What?
raising up a little bit now.
It's full.
I know.
Is that the
I
water?
thought there was a lot of water. I'm glad you checked.
Well, there's a little weight out.
Just a little bit though, right?
50, 60 pounds. Watch it. Get the road straight.
I gotta see this. I need my glasses.
All right, get your tips up. Move. Sit down,
Tips
Aaron.
up.
Sit down.
Hey.
I got it.
Like they gotta come out
No,
of the
no,
water.
no,
Right?
we're not ready yet. Get your tips up out of the water.
Out of the water.
There you go.
Put them together.
Don't let go, though.
Not too.
Just a little bit, Ryan. Just
hard.
bend your knees if you can.
Yeah, you went a little too far back.
Alright, even I can do that.
Kristen, hold on now. Get ready to go.
Tips up. There you go.
Wait a minute. Here, I'll wait.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Aaron, y'all be quiet. You're leaning too far back, Ron.
Leaning too far back.
You're
No.
leaning too far back. You got,
Lean
all right,
forward more.
bend your knees. There you go. All right.
Wait. He's good.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
And he didn't want his first ride videotaped. He's pretty athletic. He picks things up pretty quick.
Anybody was gonna do it.
Actually, I'm the only other person I know that got it the first time.
He's had a lot of time for thought while the engine was being repaired. It was.
Turn around. Turn around.
outside now. Sure, he's down, he's down.
How'd you do that? How'd you do that? That's it.
You just did it.
Good job, Ryan, good job.
Hey, look.
You started turning before we did, that was the problem.
Look,
Turn.
I didn't tell you the hand signals. You want to go faster, this. You want to go slower, this. All right. Okay? When I tell you, this means we're going to turn around to the left.
To the left.
This means we're going to turn around to the right. Okay?
Stay in the wake of the bus.
You don't have to stay in the
I thought you
wake.
told me to like go sideways around.
No, but you were doing
Hit
it.
the ramp, I'm like,
That was pretty good. No, it's pretty good.
Then the next thing is go outside the wake and get practice with that. But
You have
if
like
ever
that,
you're
you
in a
don't have to
turn,
swim.
listen, when the boat's turning, stay on the outside or the middle. If you get in the inside, you'll sink.
And you didn't want the first ride videotaped, Ryan. Remember that, huh?
Hold on, I'll get ready for out.
Got the rope here.
I'm going to turn around, we'll pull you back this way. Rope will wrap around you. There you go.
Got about 10 more feet, Ryan.
I got a wakeboard in here if you're ready for it, too. It's harder to get over.
Really?
It's a whole different thing. You just everything.
Chris,
you know
watch,
about,
you got the rope. Look.
everything you know about ski and wakeboard's opposite.
Oh, man.
It's kind
Oh,
of.
because the way when you lean one way, it's going the other way?
Yeah, you're looking at the boat. See.
He's ready.
Yeah, all right, wait a minute. Hey, y'all. Aaron.
Watch your head.
Aaron. Stop. Y'all pay attention. Wait a minute. These boats get out of here.
I bet he's gonna fall.
No, no. Stop it. That's like right.
All right, I'm gonna tighten up. Ready?
Don't get ready. Don't get
Ask him as fast or slower on it.
I think he should let go.
Faster, so. Well, he's on the outside of the boat now.
That was not his fault. I just noticed something I never noticed when he was in the water. One of those skis doesn't have a damn skeg on it. And that's what happened to him. I don't know what happened to it. I never took it off. It must have just fell off.
Hey, it's better than me though.
Well, you've got to get on the outside of the way.
You're like,
Hey, listen.
That was great, Ryan.
That's great. That's great. You're doing a great job. That wasn't your fault, by the way. I was telling him, one of those skis is missing a skeg. I don't know why. I
So
never took it off.
It's like a little,
My ski
it's
went
like the
sideways.
rudder,
What
yeah.
happened to you? I think that's what happened to you.
Listen to what?
A little rudder, like.
Oh, is it?
What happens when you get on the inside?
On the outside.
Oh, that had to hurt. Like, I still want to
Hard, dude.
Man, Ryan, you did great.
Ryan, yeah, I mean, he doesn't realize that most people don't get, that's how he is with every sport.
That's good. Ready to go?
I would sit down.
Yeah, I'm watching her. She's on your side. One hand. Coming back across the back. Right in your wake. Yeah. Stay right in your wake. You're okay. Let go.
What happened?
I would have cut your head off if I didn't have that. Give me $1. No, you don't.
We're all
Yummy
trying
dog.
different codes. This is about dangerous, isn't it?
Faster, he says. Faster. It's a lot less bumpy here. This says fast. Chase him. Faster again. That's slalom skiing.
Oh, what about with the two? The two, he's supposed to just do what Ryan did?
You could do it that way, but they don't. If you're racing slalom, you don't do a scale 1. It's harder to turn on 2. You can turn a lot quicker on 1. See, he's off, he's down, he's down. See, let go.
Now Chris is getting the expert go.
Mom, he's gonna fork up the water on me.
Aaron, put the water down.
I'm not sitting back there.
Come around, Chris. Put it back that way.
Water out.
Rhonda, y'all sit down.
I'm going to.
I'm sitting up.
Aaron.
There was already a hole in it.
Put it in the cup holder.
Yeah, he's up.
I swiped.
He's up! He's up!
Go back.
Chris, turn with it. Turn.
It's like he's up, go faster, go faster. 30 miles. It's like when he's on, it's like, he said go faster. He said go faster.
All right.
5 seconds. It's like,
Wait, is it
you're so there like, shit, you stop. It's like,
Aaron, shut up for a minute. Okay.
Okay. Wait, no.
he's not gonna.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's ready.
Oh, he's down, he's down.
He did not let go. Ow, that hurt.
That's what he did last time. That's what
Yeah,
he
he
did
never
last
told me that, but the girl at work told me, if you fall, don't hesitate, let go. So I go, whoop. Because I
I'd be surprised how many
I really
people-
don't want to know what she's
Yeah, but you gotta.
Aaron.
Hold on a second, Chris. See where this guy's going.
Look at me, son. Put it down there and leave it alone. 1, 2.
See where what's going?
Down there.
I hit a
In the
cold
side.
Both in
On
front
the
of him.
side. What?
In a cold spot.
Get your skis up.
Appreciate it. I guess he's coming right for us.
Who?
The boat.
He's ready.
We're waiting to see where this boat is going.
Wait on this boat, Chris. Look at him.
Too far. Chris, go ahead and get ready.
Well, let's let him
Yeah,
wait.
wait.
It'll help him.
Hold on.
All right, I'll tighten up a little bit.
Oh, it's like fun. It's today here.
Alright, I'm ready.
He's ready, Dad.
He lost the skis. They want to tighten up.
Because you did it. He's trying to join you.
I'm surprised I don't have a headache by now. I always have a headache when I'm falling. Really. He's ready.
Ready to go?
He's down. He's down.
He's excited though.
Lost the skis again.
I think it would be
It's
easier.
not really harder to get up, and it's harder
It's hard for me to get up on
Wait.
skis.
The board's in back room.
Let's get it behind him. Let's drag him. All right.
All right,
Okay.
let me tighten up.
I can't get my feet to go forward.
All right.
Got behind him. Wait a minute.
Yeah, he said he can't get his
Hello.
feet forward.
I'll back up. I thought you had her in front.
What are you doing?
All right, get it up. You have to kind of get it up out of the water a little bit.
Out of the water a little bit.
Okay, he's ready.
You ready to go?
Still holding on though, like don't fall. Lost his skis. He was still holding on the rope.
That's chest skiing.
I don't know what the hell it is.
No, it's.
One.
16.
When am I gonna get this gauge?
Ready to try? Let's go. There you go. Bring it around. Bring it up. Bring it up.
Oh, he's down. He's down. Oh, he's got water up.
I think he just like slipped out of his hands there. He couldn't get his body up the back of it.
I think they started.
That was a nice thing.
Oh, this one doesn't have it.
Yeah, what time is it?
Hey, do the thing.
20, well, it's still 20
Do the
minutes.
thing.
20 minutes to
Aaron.
9. It's like 22 before.
No, it's not 20 to 9. Yeah.
You just said it is.
It is?
Hmm?
Gee, you started that late?
Oh.
Maybe they started at 9. I don't know. Actually, they probably started.
When we hear these firecrackers going, then
You're here. But we'll be down.
It's like day in there.
Whoa.
Right there.
I watched it in that.
That's what we had, right?
Yeah, the artillery shot.
Okay, there's gonna be a lot of ooh,
yeah, we'll hear that a lot. We'll hear a lot of
No. Those bugs start calling it refrigerator. Bugs call it refrigerator. I got it right there.
It's on 96.1.
Oh,
They're
they're
gonna
doing
put
it
in the music.
No, that guy starts a little bit They might, but those are going to be good.
That's why she's wearing a hat. It makes everything gay and the fireworks are...
Look at all the boats that are just not. No?
Little bitty boats getting up
I just had it back down.
We'll hit the bug candles.
They're blocking it off. Oh, there's another one.
Thank you.
Oh, Coco! I know where it is. That's like, I know what it is. See, you had to stop.
It's going to always come.
Yep, wait for that.
Where's the vortex?
Over there.
What a vortex.
They're big
huge
as
bottle rockets. They're kind of like artillery shells without the on a stick.
I don't believe there's many boats as they usually are. They're having fireworks. Boy, air.
Holy
It's a flare. What is that flat phone?
I like the sound delay.
I know that song.
A lot of you'll feel them before you ever hear them.
Oh, you can hear the music in the background.
Turn it up. They have something like several booze boxes. See? So loud. Oh, right. Like this. We have so many videos of this. I know.
look like they're coming to you.
First year you were scared. No, look at my lap.
Alex, like,
Don't say 2,000.
Why would I say 2001? It's 2000.
I know, but it's something like that. Last year said 2,000. I don't know. Maybe say 2,000. Hey, why don't you come in here and sit with me? MJ.
MJ, you know when I was a little baby, you used to get scared of fireworks, scream. My mom was trying to stop. I was scared and started. Yeah, I was scared. I used to get scared of flares and lights. But now I've got pretty easy.
Supposed to be a flag or something.
Used to get scared of taking showers.
And how much did you charge
Mom, Daddy, friends had a place out there. Every time I got dancing dirty, my daddy would try to pick me up.
the ball? Johnny and Betty wanted to make a picture of what Lynn was under her house and what she was going to hide down.
Don't tell me.
Go down that way. They want to know what it looks like. They don't want to go down there. She said, well, you're going by there, make a picture. I said, Betty, I don't go down there. But I'll get somebody.
Watch the water.
I know. No, not all the time. You see those police guys up there? I know they're doing it. One time, or she thought maybe they paid them. Somebody living in the She said she was going to get the motor out. Whatever she's going to give me, but I'd have to live in it. Probably have to live in
They're having a big party there today. A whole bunch of people.
tool.
Move it like this.
That's just getting bigger and bigger. Oh.
Really close.
Yeah, really close.
Jump, go,
Whoa,
jump.
You're gonna have stars in your hair.
Oh, that one's cool, don't it?
Well, if I get my glasses off.
Yeah, I know, isn't it cool if you take your glasses off? Oh, that one looked cool. That one
Put the glasses on.
Well, Aaron, look at that one without your glasses. Look at that one without your glasses. Sorry for the bird. The bird had got the And with the whole lake. Watch that one. Watch this. Watch this.
Yeah, babe. I swear those look like they're going right out over the boat. Aren't they falling on their boats? Oh, that was oh. See, it goes
They're all O's, Aaron.
Oh, yeah.
You can feel them.
That,
Those are low.
they're like flowers. They're dying. Hands reaching for the box. Their hands and their whistle. Got music with it. For a bigger boat does that. Stop fighting your stick up for.
Yeah, right. I think I'm tired. He's rolling up there.
Or you can see the ones uptown.
Where?
Back over that way, I guess.
Dude, turn. And what? I would think the concert would be over there yet. It starts at 8:30. They don't have it Somebody's leaving. No, they don't. Probably nobody around us.
On the bottom.
The lights flashing. Grand's now here. Oh, last time they had one right here.
No, they didn't.
They did.
Last time we weren't here. Last time was 2 years ago.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, here it is. Like this one. Like this one, like this, yeah.